Thank you, GrubTerra, for sending the ladies of Chicken Capers some treats. Let's see how the girls like GrubTerra's black soldier fly larvae. Girls! Come get you some GrubTerra black soldier fly larvae, ladies. What do y'all think? Well, I guess that answers the question of whether the chickens like the black soldier fly larvae. Hey Dottie, guess what? GrubTerra has recycled over 11 million pounds of food waste in the last 3 years making these goodies. GrubTerra's treats are loaded with protein, which helps chickens grow healthy feathers and lay stronger eggs. Check out GrubTerra's black soldier fly larvae at the link in the video description. I bet your birds, fish, and reptiles will enjoy them as much as the girls of Chicken Capers.